Hi guys, so today I have another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing iHerb. If you haven't heard of iHerb before, it's almost like a health and wellness site for vitamins and hair products, skin products, almost like a Puritan Pride or Vitamin Shop or GNC, and I love it because it has free shipping over $20. So anyways, let's get to this unboxing. Alright, so here we go. I'm gonna do this. Now I have scissors. Last time I didn't have scissors and I used an eyebrow shaver or whatever an eyebrow shaver, which was, well, thank goodness it was new and it was sharp and I didn't use it. Anyways, enough talking. Okay, so it has these bubble wraps. You know how I like throwing my stuff. Here we go. I got my chapsticks. Hoorah! Oh, yep, I did get black. I don't have any packing slip, but that's okay. I got a black cherry. Bing. I got a green tea. Bing. Why am I making sound effects? And I got a coconut mint lemongrass. There we go. Coconut mint lemongrass. I think I'm going to open all of them just to smell it and all that stuff. And that's it for the box. Done. Okay. So, and I also have this. Elderberry Liquid. Elderberry, I was researching one day and this is how elderberry is good for immunity if you get colds or sicknesses, or to tell you the truth, I don't get sick. I never get sick. I haven't gotten sick in years. I have not gotten sick in years, which is good. My son, who is almost 1.5 now, he's never gotten sick. Never, never, never. Never. My other son, my first son, he's 8. He gets sick. He hasn't gotten sick this year, but last year he got sick like maybe 1 or 2 times and it only lasted like a day. It's basically like concentrated elderberries, and you're supposed to take 1 teaspoon a day, 3 times a day. It can be taken directly or mixed with water or juice. So I might try this actually right now, but let's try these. So this is Hoorah. It's partially organic. It's vegan. It has this little side thing that you rip off to get it out. Rip it off nicely. I don't want to rip it off. I don't want to rip it off ugly. You know when you rip off something and it's like so ugly? I want to rip it off nice. So this is the Peta Lip Balm Coconut Milk Lemongrass. Look at it. Just look at the beauty. It's so smooth. It's not a strong smell. I do smell the coconut. You know what? I used to make my own chapsticks and this does smell like a tinge of what I used to make. Coconut lemongrass. It smells good. I'm gonna try it. Let's put it on my lips. It's so soft. It's like so soft. It doesn't have any grit at all. Never has grit. I've used this for years. Never has grit. You know when you inhale the flavor when you do that? I could taste the lemongrass and the coconut. And it has a little, tiny little tingly mint to it. Pretty cool. I love it. I love these lip balms. I highly recommend these lip balms. And they're a really good price. They were like $3 and change. $3.75, I believe. So if you get a couple of these on iHerb, like I got 3, plus this elderberry liquid, and it just like tilted over to $20, free shipping. But if I wasn't getting this, I would have got all different types of flavors of these. Maybe I could have gotten like 6 of these, and it would have been free shipping. And I would have gotten more flavors if I didn't get this. So if you want to try some of these Hoorah lip balms, I can give you a discount code. If you want a discount code, I have a discount code. I always use a discount code on iHerb. I always find one. They always have one. But for new users, if you want, they have a special discount code that I will put down below in the box for you. And it's like about, I think it's 10% off. 10% off, or it could be more. But, you know, hey, I always use discount codes. So if I have a discount code, and I will share it with you, because I always use discount codes. I literally ordered from Fashion Nova before, and I had a 30% off code that saved me like $40, and that's like a whole pair of jeans and a shirt right there for free. So lip balms, and I'm gonna try this one. I want to smell this one. You know, I don't really like to make my videos too long, because I know some people don't want to like hear blibber blabber and stuff, and people just skip the videos like sometimes that I do. But, you know, let me know. Do you like short videos? Do you like long videos? Do you like videos where it's to the point? I don't smell anything with the green tea, but I know there's green tea in it. It's like a slight tinge. I like put it on the top of my face. This is cool. I mean, it's cool. I like green tea, so it's not like it doesn't smell like a powerful green tea. It has basically no smell to it, just like a tinge. And I think this one had a tinge too. This black cherry one has a little, oops, see, I didn't open it nicely. This black cherry has a little tinted lip balm, but I don't think it really makes that much of a difference when you put it on. Alright, let me get these things off my finger. So here we go, black cherry. This one is tinted. Yeah, I can smell it. This one's more stronger than the green tea. I smell the cherryness. I smell the cherryness. I don't want to pile on all these lip balms, but that's what it looks like. It's tinted. I love it. I recommend this. I never will get any other chapstick again, except for maybe, I haven't had it in a long time, and they discontinued a lot of flavors, but like soft lips, if you ever heard of that, yeah, I used to use that a long time ago, but they discontinued some flavors that I like, so it's hard to get, and it's more expensive now, I guess, since it's exclusive. So, Hoorah. Love it. Now, Elderberry Liquid. But the main benefit is, like, helps immunity, and just, like, basically, some people use it just to keep them from getting sick and stuff. Like, I'll use it in the winter months for our family so we won't get sick, which is great. Alright, I don't have anything to take this in. Like, I usually have a little cuppy thing, but maybe I could use it in this. So, I'm gonna pour. Wait, what does it say? Oh, shake well before using. Shake, shake. Take 1 teaspoon. So, here we go. I'm gonna guesstimate 1 teaspoon because I cook, so. Alright. So it's liquidy. It's, I don't know if you can see it. There we go. I don't know if you can see it, but it's like black cherry-ish looking color. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna take a little sip first, just to get the flavor. Okay. It's very tart. Like a tart cherry. Very tart. It's not bad. It's sweet. Very tart. Tastes like a watery, sugary, tart jam. Okay, I'm gonna take the rest. It's tolerable to just take. Or if you put it in water, it'll probably be like a little fruit punch. But yeah, I love it. I guess I'll be taking this and give some to my son. And that's it. That's all I got today in iHerb. So yeah, that's it. Well, I hope you liked this video and it helped you. And like I said again, if you want to buy, if you check out iHerb, I'll put the link down below. You could check it out. They have tons of stuff. They even have supplements. So if you want any more information, I'll be giving it to you guys down in the description box below. So you could go check that out. And on that note, I will see you on my next video. Bye.
A few moments later.
Time out. Time out. This aftertaste is like weird. It's not terrible, but you definitely need water afterwards. It like sticks on your mouth. The initial taste is good, but the aftertaste is like Oh, if you were wondering why I'm drinking from this giant gallon, it's because I have just recently started my 7-day water challenge. And this is my gallon. I just took one sip. And I have this whole gallon to go for the rest of the day. Oh my gosh. Alright, so anyways, bye.